hey, tap into this 1 minute. You could be profitable on any time frame as long as you got the statistics, the analytics to back it up, and you test it over time and see the market conditions. You will be a winner.
Ooh, yes, sir, man. That new Nintendo Switch 2 came out, man. I'm about to go there, man. Got that new Mario Kart. That's all it got. But shit, man, you know Mario Kart been out for 10 years. You feel me? Y'all feel me, man? So, man, let's go in our handy dandy wallet, man. I think it's about 500, 1,000.
Ew, he broke.
Money up.
Go get a job!
On a second thought, we probably gotta ask Aunt, man. I don't want her to be bragging 2 jobs, this, 2 jobs, that, benefits, man. Aunt don't know what he talking about, but I do need that cash. Look, man, I can help your broke ass out, man. Bro, instead of going back to your aunt that's gonna give you 2 to 3 jobs and you're gonna have to work the rest of your life just to get that Nintendo Switch, how about aunt do be tripping? You could just wake up every morning, trade 1 to 2 hours, and you could have doubled whatever profit you had in your pocket in a matter of months, man. Whoa. So you telling me I could have doubled it if I just put 1,000 with the 2,000, the 2,000 with the 4,000, the 10K with the 20K? That's what you saying? So you telling me that don't sound good? I'ma listen to you, man, cause man, he just be spazzing, and you a little clean with it, man. You a little clean with it, and man, this trading stuff, I better be getting that cha-ching. Bro, you gotta trust me, man. You gotta trust me, man. I've been working on this strategy months and months and months, and I'm trying to tap into the people. Yeah. So you just gotta listen, man, and I'm gonna tell you the strategy step by step. If you just your ass listen to me and your ass watch the video. I do need that switch. And look, man, you're gonna be raining with the money. Raining with the money. You ain't lying. But look, man, I'm gonna put my word into it. Let's watch this video with the people. And hey, kick it off and say it to them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's head on to the video.
Boom. So I got the US30 right here in crazy profits. I had to write down everything clean, crispy, and precise for y'all. So basically, this is the 1 minute time frame, but I'm gonna explain it and then we just gonna get into it. So first, this is how I look on a national basis. I go live every Monday through Thursday, 7 through 9 p.m. Usually I only go around for an hour around those times. I don't have a specific time, but 7 through 9 hours, you will see me on that live button. So as y'all can see, I mark up my charts every day in past time and in present time. So as y'all can see, I do this every Monday through Thursday. Every Monday I gotta see what it is. I gotta see my stats. I gotta see everything to the T, to the Chris. As y'all can see it here, this is all the stats for the last month. And yeah, it looks sloppy. It do look sloppy. So what I did for y'all is made it nice and neat. And what does it mean? So the EI system, this is the crazy system. It's a 3.5 RR. So basically, as y'all can see here, these 2 spots right here, number 1, it taps into area, support area. It taps into support area again. It comes up. It doesn't break this support area. And as it goes up, I enter at the 50. And my TP is the 2.72 on the Fibonacci. And you can edit your fib. So this is how it will look. My stop loss will be right here, and the take profit will be somewhere right here, and that's like it will be like a nice 3 point. It usually be like a 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, sometimes even 4 point. But it's saying 3.3. I can't get the precise entry, but it's usually about a 3.5, give or take. And it wins at a 40% win rate. Fire. I went 22 and 33 with it in the month of May. And you would have gained 40% profit, 44% profit if trading with risk management. Boom. So 5:30, 7:30 is the best time to enter. This is the 2 trades. So basically you see 3 candles in a trend direction. So as you can see right here, the trend is going up, but we just showing y'all a display. It's going down. And then once you bring your fib for retracement purposes. So once it goes back up, bring out your fib for where it retraced at, enter at that 50, and you take your TP at the 1.414, and it's usually about a 1.8 RR, give or take. So I'm telling you, the strategy is good. So usually, if you just take the strategy at any time past 7:30, 4 o'clock, it wins 98% of the times to 102. So it's a win rate of 49%, but it's a 1.8 RR. So I would have gained, if you took every setup, you would have gained 74.4%, almost doubling your account. That is crazy. That is crazy. Like I said, if y'all want me to give a full breakdown on the video, like, comment, subscribe, and just tell me. And I really break this junk down, and I even show y'all in real time. And we go live Wednesday too in the morning, so tune into that. And then 5:30 I wrote because 5:30 is really, most people have work. I'm trying to think of the people. Wake up 5:30, get your coffee, man. Wake up, your cold plunge, and get this money before going to work, so you get a little extra cha-ching. You feel me? So you go 66 and 33. The win rate is even better. The trend is nice and smooth in the morning before it hit that rugged long trends that the 1 minute can't handle. So the 1 minute could handle this 66 and 33 with a 60.67 win rate. And that's the same thing as the tree system, just taking it anytime, but you're following trend with this one. And it's crazy. It's crazy. You would have gained 33%. And then as I switched to the 1.8 RR, so this was a 1.1 RR, but I don't like 1 RRs. It was just the testing phase. I switched it over to the 1.8. Even though I lost, you still gain profit. So every single strategy I told you, you gain profit. If y'all really want to see this, let's see. Go ahead and take a picture of this, This is what the strategy is. Man, just go ahead and look at it. 7.4 gain, 4.8 gain, 33 gain, 44 gain. I passed about 2 steps on the prop firm. And it's easy. It's easy, man. And that's why I made it for y'all. The 1 minute prop firm. You don't want to trade the prop firm all day. Hey, tap into this 1 minute. You could be profitable on any time frame as long as you got the statistics, the analytics to back it up, and you test it over time and see the market conditions. You will be a winner. So this is the setup. This is the strategy. Like I said, if you want the video, just let me know. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And we out of here, baby.
So just check it out, man. Just check it out.